first ball.
Oh, this is a great start by Aamir. He's fired up all right, and so is the Pakistan team. I think Yunus got it right to start off with, gave him the ball from the right end, pavilion end, downhill. If anything, the ball will nip back to the right hand, and this was a good start, good bouncer, good length as well.
What a
You all
great
know
bowling
what
by
Sri Lanka
Mohammad
can
Aamir.
provide with Dilshan at the
Maiden
top of
over
the innings.
and a
Important for
wicket
Pakistan to
in
get
the
early wickets, set them
Stadium
back.
final match Pakistan versus Sri Lanka. That's a
Good
great
bounce
bowling.
from Aamir. Pretty much the center of this wonderful ground here at Lord's. Full house. Boundary on the left, just slightly longer, only slightly, 4 meters or so. Good size ground, good size playing surface, and a pitch that will provide a good contest. Another short ball, 3 short balls in a row. Definite plan we're seeing here against Dilshan. Back of a length at him.
Definitely a plan. There is a fielder at back foot point. Wicket looks good. Dry, there's a grass there, but nicely rolled in. But there's an extra bounce in it, and I think that's why they have a fielder behind point, fielder in front of point. You can see these 2 fielders on your screen. And now fine leg is going towards square leg. Square leg fielder has gone to short fine leg. Good thinking, because now he'll be thinking to pull. So good start by young Aamir.
Goes for it, and it's hit the shoulder, the back of the bat. And we've seen stranger things in cricket. Could have easily have lobbed to Kamran Akmal. So 4 short deliveries in a row to Dilshan. They've taken away the drive, not given him any width.
Yes, and I think it's a good ploy against Dilshan. He comes on a front foot and plays it straight. Don't pitch him up. There's 2 balls to go.
He scooped it to short fine leg, and it catches taken. What a wonderful plan. Shazib takes the catch. Look at this. Dilshan has failed on the biggest occasion of this tournament. What a time. Head bowed, he goes for naught for 1.
This is intelligent bowling by Aamir. The 5th ball of the over. Pitch shot. He played it favourite shot. There was a fielder at short fine leg. Went straight to him, Shahzeb. The man in form departs. Dilshan, the danger man, goes now. Pakistan on the roll. Not for 1.
Could it be this man's turn now? So one thing, folks, about Sri Lanka, someone has stepped up all the way through the tournament, mostly Dilshan. Still no runs after the first over, not for 1.
A perfect start by the Pakistan side. This is the danger man departing. Dilshan playing his favourite shot, edged, extra bounce did the trick there, and Shahzeb was the fielder there who made no mistake whatsoever. What a breakthrough. The crowd is excited.
What a moment for this young man, 17 years of age, Mohammad Aamir.